Hello, friends. Myself is Balendu Shekhar. By profession, I'm an advocate. Primarily, I defend most of the government department, like I'm Standing Counsel for Municipal Corporation of Delhi, Central Pollution Control Board, Delhi Pollution Control Committee, MOEF, Union of India, State of Maharashtra, and various other departments. In the field of environmental laws and in constitutional laws, various judgment of mine have been reported and has got wide attention everywhere. Indeed, for me, it's a privilege to share my view on the platform of folk tales and say something about what I feel about India. As we all know that India is a place which has seen civilization for more than 1,000 years, and accordingly, we have a unique feature that is having a blend of ancient, medieval, and modern sort of lifestyle as well as culture, tradition, everything. And therefore, in present era, we owe a massive responsibility toward the whole world and spread our ideology and about our learning, whatsoever we have learned with the passage of time as well as from our elders. And therefore, in present era, when the entire world has become a kind of village where everything is very much related and can be shared easily from everyone, from everywhere, with the help of internet and with the help of all other gadgets and electronics which we have. And therefore, we can say that our culture and as well as our learning, whatsoever we have, can be spread to the whole world, and with the help of all those learning, the entire human community can be benefited. And therefore, still I feel that India has every potential to become Vishwaguru because of having its unique strength as well as unique feature, for having a very illustrious past and zeal to perform better in our future journey ahead. Now, question arises that how Bharat can achieve its dream. To realize any dream, I must say that everyone has to do a lot, because as long as you are not very passionate to realize your dream, you cannot get something which you really intend to achieve. And therefore, if all the Indians, because fortunately we have a very huge population, and simultaneously among that population, huge segment is of youth. And being a youth and being a luxury and privilege for having such an illustrious past, if we translate all those past learning as our knowledge, and with the help of that knowledge, we can perform extremely well in all part of life in any part of the world. And therefore, if we really desire and see ourselves to become a Vishwaguru, then the youth segment, who is the most vital segment to realize that dream, has to do a lot and really ponder a lot for achieving that result. And now, apart from that, I must say that India is a kind of place where all sort of field are really in a very dynamic nature, be it politics, be it science, be it in our democracy, evolution of democracy. So in all the field, we can say that we have a kind of laboratory where we keep experimenting something new and to get something better. And sometime or many a time we find a result too. Like in COVID era, when the entire world community is facing with the problem of COVID, India is the place who really acted as a pioneer and was in a position to manufacture a vaccine for the whole world community. So in that way, I must say that India has every potential to realize any dream whatsoever they see themselves. And simultaneously, if we as an Indian are really very serious for becoming a Vishwaguru, then we have to capitalize all our resources, all our knowledge, and all other things whatsoever we have. And in case we translate every sort of thing into action, and with the help of that action, we will certainly achieve our results. This is what I feel being an Indian can get. And if we all are really serious, then there is no doubt that we will certainly get everything and anything whatsoever we see ourselves for future. Thank you.